Hey guys, welcome back.
Good morning.
Headed off the ridge. We're headed up to between Galena and Columbus, Kansas to pick up a new sawmill that we just picked up. Well, I say new.
New to us.
New to us. It's a used Woodland Mills HM122. So stick around and we'll be back.
Hey guys. Well, we're out here at Rock Hill Farms. We're fixing to get the sawmill loaded up. So, are you excited getting your sawmill?
Very excited. We've been talking about it how many years now?
4 or 5.
Longer than that.
6.
Like I said, Dusty at work said that I was talking about it before when she was still there, and that was been 6 years ago, so probably 8 we've been talking about getting a sawmill. So
lucky that this is my birthday present, huh?
yeah, exactly. Happy birthday, dear. Just think of all the things I can build you with it.
I'll believe that when I see it. Eric's like a kid in a candy store here. There's one.
need one of these.
Dream on, buddy.
In your shirt pocket. I was telling him last night I made my daughter a kitchen table out of wood that I cut off the mill.
I was watching that.
That's a lot of fun to do. And I wanted to put out a video about it today, so I had to stay up all night to finish it.
Oh no.
Put this all the way to the front and wait. Yeah. That way you also don't have to pick it up over cleaning. Yeah. Oh, she's just gonna clear it. Man. If you get it up there at all, we can kind of slide it around like this. Yeah. Yeah, it was nice that that trailer rail folds down. I didn't expect that. Yeah, this is become very handy with it doing like that. It don't go all the way down. I can pop them off, or I can even do it like I say, a 45-degree angle if I wanted to. Yeah, my trailer has fixed side rails, and that becomes a hassle for a lot of things. Yeah, the first time I took it at my dad's, because I was always borrowing him, which we live down south of Pineville. I grew up on just west side of Joplin where KSN is. Dad's got a farm right around there. So I'm always having to drive up to Joplin to borrow one of his shares. I finally bought this one a few years ago. And yeah, the first time I took it up there, I think he wanted to steal it. I still gotta go up and get his big trailer like when I went and got my tractor and stuff, but yeah. Of course, I'll tell you the half-ton Dodge, I can haul in that trailer or that tractor. Yeah, which when I was using the John Deere tractor, I used to haul it around with a half-ton, and you can do it, but it's not ideal. Yeah, exactly. Well, I'm sure your tractor's a lot heavier than that John Deere too, probably. Yeah, and I think the biggest problem is the fact that I think it's got road gears on it. I bought it used, so it's just got, you know, for gas mileage, not for pulling. And we got a couple of hills down there, and it was wrapping out pretty quick. So, I mean, it's a good truck, but I'll haul firewood up to my dad's place. I can get about a rake and a half in there, but the coil springs underneath there feels like the rear end's gonna come out from underneath you. You just cut firewood for yourself, or? Yeah, we got firewood we got a wood stove, and then I'd take some up. My dad burns wood in the shop. I just put a wood stove in my shop 2 weeks ago. I had been cutting it just for something to do, and then I would sell it, but decided to be the best way to heat my shop. Yeah. And, you know, it's nice free, you know, especially if, you know, if you're doing it for yourself, yeah, nice free heat. And of course it's dry, but we always put a water pitcher on to boil with it to kind of help get some best way to do all this. I got plenty of straps here. Instructions.
are in here. Let's see what else is in here. Yeah. And then I think you need some bolts and stuff for putting on the track extension, so let me go kind of grab all that stuff.
Okay.
Up Pineville, is that like 30 minutes to an hour?
It's about an hour. We're right north. Our house is like a half-mile north of the Arkansas state line.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. To go by Anderson and
Yeah.
area.
Yes, sir.
How do you know Paul?
YouTube. Yeah, we just met through YouTube and just kind of became buddies through there, and we went. Strength.
Okay, guys, I think he's got my birthday present all tied down. Pretty sure it's not going to be for me, but you know how he is.
I always, whenever someone's nervous about being in a video, I always say, all right, so I've got so-and-so here. We're going to talk politics and religion. Lightens the mood.
Heck yeah. So, you said you're just now recording? So, well, I guess we'll do this. Take 3. Thank you very much.
All right. Hey, I appreciate it.
So, guys, thanks. We're going to get this thing home and get it set up, and so we can tear it up.
Happy milling.
Yep, thank you very much.
Say thank you to Brock with Rock Hill Farms, correct?
Rock Hill.
Yep. If you haven't already, which a lot of you have, go check him out.
Thank you, Brock. And yeah, I will, if I got any questions, I will definitely be in touch.
All right.
So I do appreciate everything.
It was nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you. Can you guys take the first off?
No. I guess we can say that's the first cut with the new sawmill.
There goes the dumpster. That can also go in the dumpster. Keep that. That jug into the airway and sorry, I was texting Granddad.
Might have to help the sideball for him so that he don't entail me.
Right. Come down a hair. Straight. Come in. Let me get the hell out the way. Grab onto it so it's not moving so fast.
What's he wanting me to do?
It's gonna slide back. Hold that side up, okay? Good. Good. Okay, we're going down. So we got extra feet, nuts, bolts, pair of gloves, safety glasses, earplugs. But you know what this thing didn't come with? A sticker.
Oh, let's take it back.
That's what I'm thinking. All right, so we are back again. I've got the extension put on. Got everything cinched down. I moved this from this spot here down to here. That way you get a little bit longer logs. I contemplated between putting it here or moving it down to here. I decided to go ahead and go with this one. And then because it'll spin either way, I can move this toe jack out of the way that moves easily. So if I get a little bit shorter log, I can spin it over and catch it here. Or if I get a longer log, I can put it here. If I find to where I'm needing it more and more for longer logs, it doesn't take much of anything. I can easily unbolt that and move it down here. Or I can wind up maybe ordering a third one from Woodland Mills and then permanently attaching it down here. So there's that. I'm going to go ahead and I decided I'm going to go ahead and get these concrete blocks. I'm going to go ahead and put them underneath the feet and just get it up off the ground a little bit more. Then I will get everything leveled up, make sure everything's good and square, level, and then I will bring the power head over and get it put in place and double, triple check everything once that's done. And we'll need to get some gas for it, and we'll be ready to throw a log on here and do a cut. So, but I will bring you back after we get this thing set up on the concrete blocks and leveled up and ready to go. So stand by. got some bulk we need to tighten up on it.
Did we do good then?
I think so. We got rocks stuck in here.
Don't just forget to text like I said here. I'll tell you until hours.
Hey, Jamie. We killed the tractor. All right, guys. So we got it all put together. Got it leveled out both this way and this way. It's kind of a pain because we had to get it leveled out on each individual concrete block, which this is temporary for its temporary home. I'm gonna have to get some fuel and a log so I can get one on here. So also the little plate here was missing a couple of screws to screw the plate on there, so I'll worry about that later. But this has got the 9.5 horsepower Kohler Command Pro. I do have both measuring magnets. I'm gonna have to kind of figure out how to use those. It was kind of explained to me when I picked them up at Rock Hill Farms yesterday. I gotta pull some of the clips and stuff off of it yet. I think I might reposition this a little bit. This was set because he already had this set together with the power head, and then the first set of tracks was, like I said, already put together. So yeah, saved me a lot of time. So I might adjust that a little bit. It kind of freaked me out though a little bit when I opened this up because I didn't realize it at the time. Give me a second. Sorry. And then there's clips up underneath here you got to get to on both sides. So I'm just going to open up the one side because that's all I need. But I wasn't expecting this to be loose until I looked up and I saw that. So, but yeah. So this thing, I was really hoping to be able to get a log up on here and do a first cut and everything, but that's just not going to happen today. I've got other things I need to get done. It's Sunday afternoon at almost 3:30. So I'm going to go ahead and call it here for today. And we'll have to work on getting another log, or getting a log and some fuel and stuff for this thing, so we can get ready to go. But I appreciate you guys sticking around watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share it out. Till then, we'll see what we get into next time. Bye-bye for now.